Bridge east or west. The Golden Ears Bridge and the Pitt Bridge also will abide.
For AM 730, Amy Vaughn, Shallow Nickel Sky Tracker Weather Center. Mainly cloudy for this evening. We're still seeing a chance of showers with some instability and windy for areas that are closer to the water. It is going to cool off, an overnight low down to 11 degrees. We've got cloud cover for the morning hours on Sunday, and then rain beginning in the morning and continuing through the day. Blustery with the rainfall amounts between 20 and up to 35 millimeters, and the winds southeasterly sustained at 30, and areas near the Strait of Georgia up to 60 kilometers per hour. A nice break, and the nicest day out of the bunch will be on Monday for Thanksgiving. Partly cloudy, dry conditions through the day, and highs up to 14 degrees. Monday night, though, there is a chance of showers moving in. Overnight low will be down to 9 degrees, and periods of rain on Tuesday with highs of 20.